Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into a bottle of liquid sunshine, or as Joe Malone calls it, nectarine blossom and honey. The name alone conjures up images of vibrant fruit stands and summer air, because apparently, smelling like the high-end produce section is the ultimate goal of modern sophistication. Joe Malone has built a massive reputation for crafting scents that are simple yet elegant, so I wanted to see if this one actually delivers, or if it's just a very expensive fruit bowl. The first spray hits you with a burst of juicy nectarine that is bright and uplifting without being cloying. It's softened by peach and blackcurrant, which keeps the whole experience from feeling like you just had a tragic accident with a juice box. Within minutes, the honey begins to bloom, wrapping the fruit in a golden warmth that feels cozy and remarkably smooth. It creates a cheerful, lighthearted aura that manages to be fresh without smelling like a candy shop, which is a relief for anyone who graduated middle school more than a decade ago. As it settles, the fragrance introduces green undertones of acacia and a subtle musk that adds some much-needed depth. It never becomes heavy or overpowering. Instead, it stays breezy and luminous. It's the kind of scent that moves with you rather than announcing your arrival 3 blocks before you actually enter the room. Of course, we have to talk about the longevity, which is a very Joe Malone 4 to 5 hours. It's basically the fragrance equivalent of a summer fling, charming, delightful, and gone before you've even finished lunch. The sillage is more of a gentle whisper than a bold statement, so it's perfect for those who want a personal aura rather than a cloud of perfume. This is a warm weather scent through and through, ideal for spring days or brunch dates where you want to look polished but feel effortless. It layers beautifully with other scents if you enjoy playing chemist at your vanity, and it nails that vibe of carefree elegance. It might not be the longest-lasting bottle on your shelf, but it proves why people keep coming back for more, even if they have to reapply it every time they check their watch.